The idea of a cancer hospital started from Sharad Vaidya.
There is no caste, creed, religion, nothing. You are here only because you bring a great degree of professional skill.
पहिले रातचो येवन हांव म्हजे इन्स्ट्रुमेंट ड्रिल्स हे सगळें घेवन रातचो येवन सिस्टरी कडेन दिवप दुसऱ्या सकाळी येवन ऑपरेट करप.
For last 30 years, we must have done hundreds of cases of those thyroid.
We probably do more cancer treatment than any other organization in this area.
Already we have just begun in robotics in joint replacement.
Ultimately, it is technology which wins.
म्हाका दिसना ह्यांनी खंयच्या हॉस्पिटलांत दोतोरांक इतको मान दितात.
प्रत्येक 5 ते 10 वर्सान एक जनरेशन चेंज जाता. त्या जनरेशनाचे एम्बिशन एस्पिरेशन देखून चेंज जाता. आता अशा टायमार एक व्यक्ती म्हणून एक संस्था म्हणून एक ब्रँड म्हणून आमी रेलेवंट कशें उरतले विथ टायम इज अ व्हेरी इम्पॉर्टंट क्वेश्चन जाचे म्हाका दिसता जाप आमी सगळे जाण सोदता. बट आयज योगायोग असो आसा की काही म्हाज्या बरोबर अशे मानेस्त आसा जे अशा संस्थे कडेन एटॅच आसा जे फाटलीं 3 दशकां म्हळ्यार 30 इयर्स ती संस्था रेलेवंट आसा आनी बरें काम करता. सो मच सो की तें नांव आयज म्हाका दिसता गोंयकार अभिमानान घेता तें म्हळ्यार मणिपाल हॉस्पिटल्स. आयज हांव आवर्जून तांकां विचारतलो की तांची ऑब्वियसली पास्ट सुरवात कशी आसली, ताज्या नंतर तांचो संघर्श कसो आसलो, सद्या परिस्थिती कशी आसा आनी येता तो काळ फुडलो कसो आसतलो. त्या खातीर म्हाका दिसता आवर्जून पळोवंक गेल्यार आयचे जे मानेस म्हाज्या बरोबर आसा तांकां वेगळी वळख करून दिवपाची गरज ना बिकॉज दे आर सुपरस्टार्स इन हेल्थ कॅर आनी मोर इम्पॉर्टंटली इन देअर स्पेशलिटी. म्हाज्या बरोबर आसा दोतोर महेश नायक जे जनरल सर्जरी पळयता आणि मणिपाल हॉस्पिटलान आसा. दोतोर वेलकम टू द शो. तशेंच आमच्या कडेन आसा दोतोर शेखर साळकार जे कन्सल्टंट ऑन्कॉलॉजी आसा. तशेंच दोतोर दीपक मुर्ती जे ENTचे कन्सल्टंट आसा आणि म्हाज्या बरोबर आसा दोतोर दीपचंद भंडारे जे सिनियर कन्सल्टंट आसा ऑर्थोपेडिक्स हांगासर. ही सगळी टीम जी आसा ती मणिपालाची. हांव आवर्जून तुमकां सगळ्यांक एक कॉमन प्रश्न विचारतलो. बरेचदा आमकां कसलेंय दुयेंस जालें किंवा आमच्या घरच्यांक जर कितें असो एक्सपिरियन्स आयलो की बाबा कोणाक तरी दुयेंस जाला जाल्यार एक प्रश्न पडटा की हाका व्हरपाचो खंय, खंयच्या दोतोरा कडेन व्हरपाचो, खंयच्या हॉस्पिटला कडेन व्हरपाचो, सरकारी वचपाचो काय प्रायवेट वचपाचो, हो प्रश्न लोकांक पडटा. हांव दोतोर तुमकां विचारपाक सोदता कित्याक तुमची जर्नी लायट सिन्स 1994च्यान मणिपाला बरोबर आसा. ताच्या पयलींच्यान तुमचें एसोसिएशन आसलें. तुमकां मणिपाल हॉस्पिटल कित्याक इतकें मानावलें? तुमकां हांव सगळ्यां कडच्यान तुमचे हे ओपनिंग कमेंट्स घेता. दोतोर,
My journey with Manipal starts from 1987, where I joined Kastuba Medical College, Manipal, as an assistant professor. And I was impressed with the working there. And in 1994, I was promoted as a professor of surgery at Kastuba Medical College, Manipal. And that was, by that time, it was a Manipal Academy of Higher Education, a very reputed name in university. Now, in 94, they told me, see, we are starting Manipal unit in Goa. Since you are a Goan, we would like you to go and develop it there. I was born in Goa. I studied at GMC, and I went there to work. And so I readily agreed. But when I came here, I used to come as an examiner at Goa Medical College. When I came as an examiner there, I thought in 94 it was, late 90. I thought I'll see how is this hospital. So I came to this hospital. It was a wide building then. It was arid land, like a desert. There was one security, there was 1 or 2 nurses, and there was one resident doctor. And radiotherapist from Manipal used to come there once a week. They used to plan radiotherapy and go. So this thing I told there, there is nothing there, what I will do by going there. Then at that time they told me they have a plan to develop a 200-bedded hospital. And even one of the trust meeting which I used to attend, Ramdas Pai, the then head, told me, see, Goa is very dear to them because their deity is Malsa. So they want to do something. So at that time I knew that intentions are clear. And then it was a joint venture. It was Goa Cancer Society was there, and then there was Manipal was there. And there was a trust which managed these two.
So basically there is an emotional attachment to it. Obviously you were part of brand Manipal and this journey just continued. Dr. Salkar, तुमकां आवर्जून विचारतलो हांव की तुमचोय प्रवास बरोच आसा 30 इयर्स तुमी पळयल्या ह्या हॉस्पिटलान. तुमचे कित्याक तुमकां कित्या खातीर आयज मेरेन तुमी मोगान कित्याक आसा मणिपाल हॉस्पिटलाच्या?
Actually, after coming from Tata Hospital, 1990, I started my practice, and that time आम्ही कशे म्हणजे barefoot doctor म्हणटा पळय तशें, म्हणजे सावंतवाडी वचपाचें, कारवार वचपाचें, खंयच्या हॉस्पिटलान केस आहा ते करपाक एका जाग्यार अशें एक हॉस्पिटलूच नाशिल्लें वेर यू कूड वर्क इन प्रायवेट सेक्टर. आनी GMCन तेन्ना ते म्हणलें ताणें सांगलें की नो वी डोंट हॅव एनी वेकन्सी फॉर यू. सो वी हॅड टू स्टार्ट प्रायवेट. सो हांव सगळे कडेन खंय ऑपरेशनां प्रत्येक हॉस्पिटलान खंयचें वचूंक ना अशें ना हॉस्पिटल. And in 1994 end क्या 95 सुरवातीक जेन्ना हॉस्पिटल डॉक्टर मुर्ती वॉज देर, ENT सर्जन, तो म्हाका एक ताणें फोन केलो, म्हणपालो एक थायरॉयड केस आसा, यू वूड लायक टू कम एंड ऑपरेट म्हणून. आय सेड ओके, आमी वतालेच न्हय सगळे कडेन, चल हांगा या म्हणून. सो देन आय वेंट देर एंड देन इट वॉज इम्प्रेसिव. सिन्स देन ही इज माय व्हेरी गुड फ्रेंड, ऑल ऑफ दीम आर माय व्हेरी गुड फ्रेंड. And we have been continuing doing that type of surgery for last 30 years. Especially thyroid surgery, when we both operate together. For last 30 years, we must have done hundreds of cases of those thyroid. Thyroid much delicate surgery असता, so येता. And then once, then सुरवातीक हांव full time नाशिल्लो, पण 2014, they said that we are coming with a new hospital. We would like you to be full time with us. पयलीं आमी येताले वताले अशें, पूण मेजर सगळे ऑपरेशन हांगा जाताली कित्याक रेडिएशन आशिल्लें
फॅसिलिटी.
हय, आनी बाकीची OT-BT वॉज कम्पेर्ड टू बाकीच्या सगळ्या हॉस्पिटला पेक्षा वॉज मच बेटर. सो वी यूज टू डू ऑल मेजर केसीस हांगा. 2014 दे गेव मी ऑफर ऑफ फूल टायम जॉब.
ओके.
सो देन आय सेड नो, आय वॉन्ट टू डू इन बिचोलीम. दॅट आय कॅनॉट स्टॉप माय प्रॅक्टीस. ती जर तुमी दिता म्हाका दिवतले काम करपाक जाल्यारूच ओन्ली आय वील जॉइन, बिकॉज दॅट इज माय होम टावन. And I am responsible for my people. Correct. And they I have some attachment with my people. I would like to continue that. Yes, major surgery I will do, but minor surgery कितें आसा ती म्हाका लोकां खातीर I want to do for that. And that they agreed, and that I continuing now. I don't go to any other hospital, but Manipal Hospital one, and सांजचो मागीर दिवचले practice.
तुम्ही पार्टनरशिपाचे उलयले, and very interesting, Dr. Murty, I want to ask you is, I will get into that question later, maybe who is Sachin Tendulkar, but I want to ask you this opening jodi of openers. We have started from 94. Is it Sehwag and Sachin or Saurav and Sachin? Because Dr. loves cricket. I believe you also play cricket. How do you see this jodi, and how do you see this teamwork, shaping up over the course of time?
It is Modi and Amit Shah.
Oh, fantastic!
Amit Shah.
That was a yorker for me.
No pressure.
So how do you see this relationship that has continued?
Manipal, I am not a Goan. I have lived here for 20 years now, so maybe I'm Goan by domicile. I was not born here and did not study here. I did not have any relatives or friends. Nobody when I came here. But the Manipal Hospital, which developed over the last 30 years, now has probably about 70-80 odd consultants. Some who are full-time, some like me who come honorary. The one thing which is consistently there is immense levels of professionalism. There is no caste, creed, religion, nothing. You are here only because you bring a great degree of professional skill. I say great degree because it's in a different level of working. The organization allows you to do that because of its infrastructure and because it communicates with you to ask you what your needs are. That teamwork has propelled not only me and Shekhar and Dr. Deep and Dr Mahesh, but many other consultants to work together. That's what makes a difference.
Okay, continuing to what Dr. Murty said, Dr. Deep, म्हाका एक खरेंच विचारूंक जाय की अजून एक इम्प्रेशन आसा मणिपाल हॉस्पिटलाचें की कॅन्सर हॉस्पिटल म्हणून दॅट वॉज द मोस्ट फोकस ऑर द USP रेलेवंट. त्या टायमार दोतोरूय असले, ENT पळयताले, बाकीचे असले, तुमी ऑर्थोपेडिक फॉर क्वायट सम टायम पळयता, रायट सिन्स इन्सेप्शन. हो ग्रॅज्युअल शिफ्ट तुमी कसो पळयलो? तुमचें मेन म्हणल्यार रिलेशनशीप विथ मणिपाल हॉस्पिटल, आनी हो ग्रॅज्युअल चेंज ओवर जो आसा, एवोल्युशन, तो तुमी कसो पळयलो?
ओवर अ पिरियड ऑफ टायम फक्त कॅन्सर जे आशिल्लें पयलीं एंड विथ फ्रेश आयडियाज फ्रॉम मणिपाल दे सेट अप डिफरंट डिपार्टमेंट्स हळू करून. म्हाका याद आसा ऑर्थोपेडीक पळय आशिल्ली, प्रॅक्टिकली आय सेट अप द होल थिंग. कित्याक जेन्ना हांव सुरू केलां हांगा तेन्ना ऑर्थोपेडीक म्हणटा तें नांव सुद्दां नाशिल्लें. आनी म्हाका याद आसा पयले असो रातचो येवन हांव म्हजे इन्स्ट्रुमेंट ड्रिल्स हे सगळें घेवन रातचो येवन सिस्टरी कडेन दिवप, दुसऱ्या सकाळी येवन ऑपरेट करप, ती ऑटोक्लेव करून बी दवरताली. आनी इवन स्टाफ पीपल आसा दे वर नॉट स्पेसिफिकली ट्रेन्ड फॉर ऑर्थोपेडिक्स. सो टीचिंग ट्रबल खूब आशिल्लें सुरवातीक. बट लुकींग एट अवर future, or you could make out what is going to develop over a period of time, we maintained. And म्हाका अजून याद आसा, I think Dr. Deepak was chief. अरे बाबा दीपक म्हळ्यार आमकां त्रास जाता, सगळें हाडचें पडटा. हळू हळू करून ही इनिशिएटेड गेटिंग न्यू इक्विपमेंट्स, न्यू इन्स्ट्रुमेंट फॉर ऑर्थोपेडिक्स. आतां ऑर्थोपेडिक जालें, कॅन्सर जालें, ऑटोमॅटीक यू रिक्वायर फिजिशियन, ऑटोमॅटीक यू रिक्वायर सर्जन्स, जनरल सर्जन, यू रिक्वायर हे करून तें हळू हळू हॉस्पिटल बिकेम a full-fledged tertiary care hospital with each department having its own staff, highly qualified, highly ethical and highly dedicated workers. And now over a period of time it has settled into what you see today.
करेक्ट. सो आय थिंक एक इंटरेस्टिंग गजाल की आमी जर भुरग्यां कडेन पळयलें जाल्यार आमकां सगळींच भुरगीं आवडटा, बट म्हाका दिसता आपलो भुरगो मातसो चड एटॅच्ड आसता. आय फील देर इज अ कन्सेन्सस फिलींग की ओके हांव म्हाजें एटॅचमेंट हांगासर आसा, म्हाजें एटॅचमेंट पयलीं 94च्या पयलींच्यानूय मणिपाल ऑर्गनायझेशन वांगडा आसा, तें कंटिन्यू जालां आनी आय वॉन्ट टू सी इट ग्रो. सो आय सी ऑल दीस 4 gentlemen आर इन लव विथ मणिपाल हॉस्पिटल, इफ आय मे से सो सर. दोतोर सुरवात जेन्ना जाता, तुमी 60 वर्साचो मणिपालाचो प्रवास आसा, ताच्या नंतर तुमचोय प्रवास हांगासर मणिपाल गोवाचो पयलीं पासून आसा. तो पास्ट जो आमी पळयता स्टार्टींग, जशें आमी आतां डिबक केलें की आजून लोकांच्या मनान कॅन्सर हॉस्पिटल काय आनी ताच्या नंतर मल्टी स्पेशालिटी, तो खूब चेंज जाला. इनिशियल जो फेज आसलो, जशें दोतोर दीप भंडारेन सांगलें आमकां की सगळो सेटअप घेवन येवचो पडा, तो इनिशियल कितको डिफिकल्ट, कितको स्ट्रगल आसलो हें सगळें नव्या हितूर झोनान वचपाक?
हाका ह्या हॉस्पिटलाक एक हिस्ट्री आसा. हिस्ट्री म्हणजे ही idea of a cancer hospital started from Sharad Vaidya. Now his idea was to have a cancer hospital, and he started also, and he collected funds from all over, from Gulf, Goan, UK Goan, all this, and they found that this hospital was not running, and then ultimately they have to give it to somebody. That's how Manipal came in place.
Okay.
So it came into place. Manipal has to come here only because Goa Cancer Society, which is a parent body, was not able to manage it, didn't have finances. And when they came here, there was a little conflict. Goa Cancer Society wanted a cancer hospital and name displayed as a cancer hospital. And many times I attended these trust meetings, and all this, Mr. Dempo was there, senior Dempo, Shetty was there, and particularly Sharad was very keen on having a cancer name. But Manipal was saying with only cancer it cannot run. We require a general hospital. So consensus was made where it became Manipal Goa Cancer and General Hospital. This continued till somewhere in, and this was under Manipal Academy of Higher Education.
Okay.
Kasturba Medical College, where I came from, and
Correct.
Deepak also came from. Then somewhere 2008, this hospital went under Manipal Health Enterprises. Today it is known as, I think, Manipal Health System. So which is a corporate wing of Manipal.
Correct.
At that time, with consensus, name became Manipal Hospital Goa, under which all specialties were included. And by 2014, their aim was ultimately finalized to make it a super specialty hospital.
Correct.
Today's Manipal Hospital, which you see, is a super specialty hospital. Super specialty means ultimately you treat tertiary cases. If other alternative probably for this type of cases is Goa Medical College. Apart from Manipal Hospital, I don't think there is any other hospital.
करेक्ट. दादा साळकार, म्हाका खरेंच एक प्रश्न विचारूंक जाय तुमकां. तुमी राजकारणा कडेन निगडीत आसा, क्रिकेटान निगडीत आसा, वेगवेगळ्या प्रोफेशनल को करिक्युलर एक्टिविटीज खूब आसा तुमचे. हांव विचारपाक सोदता की प्रत्येक जाण जो गोंयकार आयज IT किंवा कसलें शिक्षण घेता तो भायर वचपाक सोदता. तुमी भायर गेल्ले, ताज्या नंतर परत आयले. वॉज इट आय थिंक अ गोल्डन ऑपॉर्च्युनिटी फॉर यू बिकॉज आय कन्सिडर मणिपाल हॉस्पिटल दॅट टायम एज अ स्टार्टअप की एक स्टार्ट जातालें त्या टायमार तुमचो थंय इंट्रोडक्शन जालें आनी तुमचें रिलेशन बिल्ड जालें. वॉज इट अ गोल्डन ऑपॉर्च्युनिटी एंड इफ नॉट देन वूड यू हॅव मे बी सेटल्ड आउटसायड गोवा?
आउटसायड गोवा आउट ऑफ क्वेश्चन. आमी सामके ओरिजिनल गोवा फिश करी रायस पीपल. सो आय वोंट
बिचोले आला तो म्हणलो.
it's just not possible for me to work in outside. But when I went to Tata Hospital for my further studies, my boss Dr Sultan Pradhan was there. And then when the last 6 months was there, and then I went to him. शेवटी गेलो म्हाका म्हणपाक best decision you have taken is to go back. I have seen you for last 4-5 years in working here, and म्हणपाक तुजें जें उलोवपाची स्टायल आहा आनी कन्विन्सिंग आहा, यू वील बी अ व्हेरी सक्सेसफूल डॉक्टर इन प्रायवेट सेक्टर. खंय वचूं नाका म्हणपाक डायरेक्ट चल आनी प्रॅक्टीस चालू कर, यू वील सक्सीड म्हणून. पण जेन्ना आयलो तेन्ना बापूय म्हणपाक लागलो तूं येदोसो बुरांटो मरे, तुजे कडेन कोण ते कॅन्सर ऑपरेशना करूंक येतलो काय म्हणून. मागीर म्हणलें आतां म्हणपाक लागलो पयलीं मेडिकलान वच आनी विचार थंय जॉब. हांव गेलो मेडिकलान डिना कडेन. तो म्हणपाक ना आमचे कडेन ना. म्हाका म्हणलें ना मणिपालान वच, महेश आनी हे बी आहा थंय वच म्हणपाक, थंय थोडे वर्सां काड, मातसो जाणटो जा आनी यो म्हणून. हांवें म्हणलें आनी खंय वचना म्हणलें, पुरो आमी शिकले तितके पुरो ते एटलिस्ट नाव लेट मी यूज माय वॉट एवर आय स्टडी. सो वी स्टार्ट म्हणजे मारली उडी म्हणलें चल या. आनी आमी ते आपले एक एंडोस्कोप हाडिल्लो तो गाडयेन घेवन हांव सगळे कडेन भोंवतालो. घरा वचून लोकांची एंडोस्कोपी केली. म्हणजे बेर फूट म्हणजे सामकें बेर फूट, फक्त एपेंडिसेक्टमी घरा कडेन करपाची उरयल्ली लोकांच्या घरा कडेन वचून. म्हणजे कॅम्पाक गेलो थंय एंडोस्कोपी केली. सो over a period of time, I felt, as you said, is correct. It was a startup that time, and we got that opportunity to join with that. And एक तुका एक स्पेशालिटी सांगता ह्या हॉस्पिटलाचे बॉसीस आहाले, दे आर व्हेरी कन्सिडरेट फॉर डॉक्टर्स. म्हाका दिसना आनी खंयच्याच हॉस्पिटलान दोतोरांक इतको मान दिता ते. आय रिमेंबर बॅसिल आनी पादुकोन सर तेन्ना वायस प्रेसिडेंट आशिल्ले. म्हाका दिसता यूज टू कम टू हॉस्पिटल न्हय, तो ओपीडीन भायर बसतालो. तो म्हणटालो ना डोंट डिस्टर्ब डॉक्टर, ताजे जावनी ओपीडी दोन पेशंट आहा ते पळोवनी ताका, देन आय वील कम एंड सी. ही नेवर कॉल्ड अस टू वयर यो ऑफिसान बस डिस्कशन करुया.
आपूण स्वता येतलो.
आतांचे सुद्दां आमची युनिट हेड बीन केन्ना जाय न्हय, दे कम डावन, दे मीट द डॉक्टर्स. एक तांचे कडेन थंय म्हणजे क्लिनिकान येतात थंय बसता तेन्ना उलयता. सामकेंच कितें आमचे सगळ्यांचे एक मिटींग आसता, देन ओन्ली वी गो अप. अदरवायज दे कम डावन एंड दे म्हणजे तितको एक भाव दिता. आनी अशें टार्गेट बिर्गेट ना, हें बाबा इतकेच करून जाय केसीस, तुवें तितकेच करून जाय, हेंच करून जाय, तेंच करून जाय, नथींग. दे गिव यू फ्री हँड. आनी तुमकां कितें इंस्ट्रुमेंट आहा म्हणजे पयलींच एक डिसेंबरान सुमार चालू जाता, तुका कितें इंस्ट्रुमेंट जाय, नवीन कितें जाय तें. सो द वर्किंग कल्चर इज व्हेरी हेल्दी सारकें.
सो आय थिंक मणिपाल हॉस्पिटलान दोतोर एक म्हाका दिसता एक वायबूच आसा की युअर पेशंट इज टू बी गिवन प्रायोरिटी.
पेशंट सेंट्रिसिटी इज आवर.
ताका डिस्टर्ब न करता आपले ऑपरेशन सुरू करपाक. आय एम ग्लॅड दॅट यू डिडंट मीट मे बी अमित शाह और मिस्टर मोदी दॅट टाइम who would have suggested you have great convincing power, please track politics. Great that you are with Manipal Hospitals, Dr. Dr. Murty, obviously you have been an integral part. I mean, there is a bridge that you have to be between the management and also the doctors, and also take care of the community that you work in. How challenging, how difficult it was, and how has it evolved? More importantly, because from a cancer perspective, I mean, hospital to a multidisciplinary, multi-specialty hospital, and having such a state-of-the-art infrastructure with you.
Actually, till today, our biggest investments in this hospital is on cancer. We are the only hospital with a linear accelerator, which is the state-of-the-art for treating all types of cancers. We are the only first hospital to put up a CT scanner, MRI, which helps in cancer. Today we have a PET scan, which nobody in this next 200 square kilometers has. It's largely for cancer. So cancer continues to be our mainstay. And through the government's various social initiatives, we probably do more cancer treatment than any other organization in this area. Way more cancer treatment than any other organization here. It's just that the general hospital had to develop because the revenues from the general hospital offset the huge subsidies in cancer. Cancer is not just about a machine. We are the only hospital which has the entire gamut, right from medical oncologist to surgical oncologist, the radiation therapists, technicians, support staff. It's a huge team. Dr. Salkar heads this comprehensive cancer unit that we have here. The general hospital came up on its own largely because we had consultants who saw a future with us. Any chariot is only as good as the horses are.
Correct.
Right. So when Dr. Deep or Dr. Mahesh, they were already qualified. He was a professor, well qualified from Manipal. He was already well qualified, leading private practitioner in Goa. Likewise, I can think of so many other physicians who joined us and people. They pulled this organization from just a small white building that Dr. Mahesh had seen to the huge infrastructure that we have today.
So you said rightly that it is the chariot that is important. Also important are the horses. I think also is the rider that spearheads the entire journey. Dr. Deep Bhandare, म्हाका एकूच सांगा की तुम्ही फाटल्या आतापर्यंतचो प्रवास पळयलो 30 वर्साचो. फुडार जे आमी पळयता इट्स क्वायट डायसी म्हणूं येता, समथींग दॅट यू कांट प्रेडिक्ट. बट तरी आमकां एक फुडें विजन दवरूंक जाय, एक ग्रोथ प्लॅन दवरूंक जाय. तुमकां कितें दिसता तुमची टीम सद्या हाव आर यू लुकिंग फॉरवर्ड टुवर्ड्स द फ्युचर, एस्पेशली हेल्थ केअर इन गोवा?
बिफोर दॅट आमच्या ऑर्थोपेडिक डिपार्टमेंट पळय सांगा इन मणिपाल नाव हॅज अ स्पेसिफाईड specialist joint replacement surgeon. We have a specialist spinal surgery, doing spine surgery. We have visiting consultants in pediatric orthopedics. We have visiting consultant in arthroscopy. So we are almost covering even ortho-onco, that is orthopedic oncology. We have visiting consultants coming here. So we are practically covering almost all the aspects of orthopedics.
Nice.
So going back 30 years and today,
there's a huge difference.
Huge difference. We have a dedicated operation theatre. We have kept on evolving our instrumentation. We have kept on evolving our equipments over a period of time. And since our culture, hospital management, doctor management is totally very healthy. जेन्ना शेखर म्हणाने आमकां कांय येना तेन्ना कोणाक खरें दिसना की आमकां कोणूच टार्गेट दिना. सगळे म्हणटा तूं कॉर्पोरेट मरे तुका इतलेंच करूंक जाय. वी हॅव नेवर हॅड इट.
करेक्ट.
रायट फ्रॉम बिगिनिंग. नाव फ्युचर आय लूक एट इट एज ऑलरेडी वी हॅव जस्ट बिगन इन रोबोटिक्स इन जॉयंट रिप्लेसमेंट्स. आतां सुरू केला. दॅट विल ग्रो. वी आर डुईंग एंडोस्कोपिक स्पाइन सर्जरी. दॅट विल ग्रो. In trauma care, already we are at the tops. I think we are handling much more trauma than most of the units here. So I definitely see that we may have those who are visiting specialists coming now. One day, shortly, they will become full-time specialists here.
Okay, that's nice.
And over a period of time, I think we are seeing, if I am not wrong, maybe कितले 4-5 हजार पेशंट तरी महिन्याक आमचे असता ऑर्थोपेडिक्स.
That's a quite a huge number.
So I look forward to more consultants coming and joining us.
Very true. So that is a holistic. म्हणजे खरेंच म्हाका दिसता तुमकां खरेंच ती उमेद पळयता स्टार्टिंग जो प्रवास तुम्ही पळयलो, रायट फ्रॉम गेटिंग एवरीथिंग देर एंड डुईंग दॅट सर्जरी ऑर कन्सल्टिंग नेक्स्ट डे to eyes holistic approach and keeping pace with the development and whatever is required for healthcare. I think it's a huge curve that we have Manipal Hospitals, especially here in Goa, has gone through. Dr. तुम्ही KMC कडे पयली शिकयताले, मणिपालाचो तुमचो प्रवास आसा. दोतोरान म्हटलें रोबोटिक्स आयले. आमकां भंय दिसता आमचे फाल्यां नोकरी वतात, फाल्यां हांगा लिजा कोण इंटरव्यू घेत, चॅट GPT, AI BI आसा. Robotics is one part of the story. How is AI and chat GPT shaping up your thing? Is it relevant in healthcare? Let me start there.
See, future, ultimately it is technology which wins.
Correct.
When first time laparoscopic cholecystectomy was done, in France it was done. I happens to listen to one of the top gastroenterological surgeon or hepatobiliary surgeon, Srikhandi, who gave a lecture in Manipal when I was there. And he said, I have heard that this is done and done by a gynecologist. And I can never believe that it can be done properly.
Oh, nice.
This is what Srikhandi telling. Somewhere 80s. Then, very next or 2 years, his colleague in Mumbai, Trampton Udvadia, did it. And today, lap cholecystectomy is a standard approach to gallbladder. With 300 days time, it was open, and he was a master in that. His son-in-law and son started doing it by laparoscopy. So that era, after that era will come robotic.
Correct.
And even now, so many times you see that robot killed patient, robot did this. This is the first generation robot.
Correct.
There will be more generations of robots will be coming, which will be much smarter, like new generation of human being. And probably at that time you have to tell him, see, this is the data fed, and you have to do cholecystectomy or you have to do gastrectomy.
Correct.
And he will do it. And before that, in intermediate generation will come, where when you give order, when surgeon gives order on cohort to robot to do this, and if surgeon give wrong direction, robot will say no.
Oh, it will correct you.
It will correct.
Nice.
So these are all steps in direction of artificial intelligence.
Yeah.
It will refuse to.
We were thinking of having Lisa as an anchor. I think we can say Dr. Lisa as well someday. I don't know whether it will be true or no.
In the end, man and machine also will be an
Correct.
important part. It will continue to be.
See, but ultimately when technology comes, it stays.
Correct.
And better generations of technology come.
Evolve, yeah.
Evolve, which I am seeing from, see, when I passed my MBBS in 80s, in Goa Medical College was, see, I have to tell, Goa Medical College was a very good institution at that time. And journey of Escola Medica to Goa Medical College,
It was a long, considerable time.
yeah, it was done within record 2 years.
Correct.
And who was helping Bandodkar at that time? You must have heard of Bandodkar,
yes.
definitely. Who helped Bandodkar at that time in his journey was Alban Kuto, who was the IAS officer.
Correct.
And it was done in record 2 times. And who were the experts brought? He got on deputation, best faculty all over India.
True. Done.
So there was the role of politician comes.
Okay.
Now coming to
Policy
all
maker,
this, when technology comes, doing surgery also become expensive.
Very true.
What surgery he can do with hands, robot will cost about 20 times, 50 times more.
So it is skill that is required. Okay. Dr. Salkar, quickly, because I'm running off time now. तुमकां आवर्जून विचारपाक एक टायम आसलो की एटलीस्ट म्हाजें जनरेशन तरी म्हणटालें की दोतोर देव आनी सामकें यू नो आनी दोतोर सांगता ती पूर्व दिशा. I hardly people used to go for second opinion. Second opinion is the norm of the industry. दुसरी गजाल हांव आनी एक विचारता की WhatsApp जनरेशन, फेसबुक जनरेशन हे सगळें आमचे कडेन इन्फॉर्मेशन एक्सेस इतको आसा की दोतोरान सांगलें सुद्दां कितें किंवा प्रिस्क्रिप्शन दिलें किंवा हांव तें तुका तुजे कडेन नॉट आर्ग्यू मे बी बट म्हाका तुज्या पेक्षा चड ज्ञान म्हाजे कडेन आसा हें दाखोवपाची जिद्द आयज लोकां मदीं आसा. हें म्हाका दिसता एम्पावरमेंट आनी कितें जालां ना जालां एम्पावरमेंट हें तर डेफिनेटली जालां. तुमी हो एक्सपिरियन्स कसो पळयता आनी जनरेशनल शिफ्ट हो कसो पळयता?
नाही, these things will be there. जसे तुका नॉलेज एम्पावरमेंट जाली, people will question your decision. हे क्वेश्चन आसा. But still we are getting that जो पेशंट आमकां आमचे कडेन पळयतात न्ही, हे कशें एक 10-15% वयले पेशंट आसतले, पण मोस्ट ऑफ द कॉमन पीपल जे आमचे कडेन येतात दे स्टील कन्सिडर एज अवर गॉड ओनली. आय विल गिव यू एक्झाम्पल कॅल्शियम. आय कॅन एश्युअर यू आय हॅव डीन दॅट अंडर DDS वाय तेजे केले हांवें ऑपरेशन ब्रेस्टाचे. कांय पयशे ना तांचे कडेन, थंय आमचे फ्री जाता. DDS वी कॅन डू, वी मस्ट हॅव डन एटलीस्ट 20,000 प्रोसिजर्स फ्री ऑफ कॉस्ट इन मणिपाल हॉस्पिटल ओनली बिकॉज ऑफ द स्कीमी खातीर. शी टोल्ड मी, दोतोर तुका कितें आवडटा खावपाक? म्हाका ती सदां भाजी हाडटा. हांवें मॅडम भाजी हांव खायना गे म्हणलें. कळ्ळें न्ही, ती बायल खाता तुजी. तुका कितें जाय काय म्हणपालें. म्हाका म्हणलें कांय नाका, तूं येता तें खूब भाजी हाडटा चलता म्हणून. ना म्हणपालें आपूण कुले चलता तुका. म्हणलं तू खंयसून हाडटली गे कुले? ना ते कुशीक आपले म्हणपालें ते विकूंक येता म्हणपालें, आपूण ते घेता आनी हाडटा. म्हणजे शी इज गोईंग टू बाय फॉर मी. आय वॉज शॉक्ड सारको. हांवें म्हणलें तूं ना रे 50 रुपया पडटा ते म्हणपालें. हे कडेन 100 रुपया दिवपाक पयशे ना. पण सी द फिलींग फॉर हर. ती म्हणटा आपूण ते विकते घेतली आनी तुका हाडून दितली. म्हाका पांय पडटा, ध्यान करूं नाका म्हणटा. आता तुझ्या घरान एक कुलो पडटा असो कळ्ळें न्ही
तो हाडून दिता is different.
ओके तुमच्या घरान तूं शेत लायता कितें तातूंतले इल्ले तुवें 2 मुळे हाडले आनी म्हाका दिले इज ओके विथ मी पण तूं म्हज्या खातीर विकते घेता आनी म्हाका आय थिंक दीस फिलींग नो बडी वील
आय थिंक देव म्हणच्या पेक्षा आय थिंक फेथ इज स्टील देयर.
तुका मागीर ते क्वेश्चन तुवें कितके विचारूं पण हे जे तूं फिलींग तुका येता न्ही पर्सनल फिलींग आय थिंक दॅट इज द अल्टिमेट इन मेडिसीन.
I think the faith still exists. Okay.
It is existing.
Dr. Murty, with respect to expansion, obviously you expand the existing unit and more importantly also look with respect to satellite clinics. If you can quickly tell me how are you approaching the satellite clinics, because there are corporate brands who are getting into their mom and pop business and killing that business. Same is with you, or your approach is completely different, because that is something which is very important.
I beg to differ very strongly in this. Manipal is a tertiary care hospital. We are a referral hospital. We are not interested in going into other towns, other cities, other villages, in trying to put up units which are going to compete and kill the livelihood. Livelihood may be a very bad word. Kill the work that local general practitioners and local hospitals do. We would like to partner them. We would like to, till now, Manipal, if it has ever gone into the hinterland, it has always worked through the clinic or a hospital which exists in that local area. We would like to be only there to facilitate the transfer of cases which cannot be done there into Manipal Hospital, which will always be a secondary and a tertiary level hospital.
So
we are not competing.
Everybody can coexist.
Everybody must learn to work with each other.
ओके दोतोर आमी बरेचदा म्हणटा की गोयची इकॉनॉमी यूज टू बी मायनिंग नाव टुरिजम ऑल्सो इज डायसी. कॅन अदर ऑपॉर्च्युनिटीज लायक मेडिकल टुरिजम कॅन एक्झिस्ट हे हांव तुमकां विचारता. दोतोर शेखर साळकाराक विचारना म्हाका डिप्लोमॅटीक आन्सर मेळटलें. तुमी म्हाका सांगा.
आता मेडिकल टुरिजम तूं म्हणटा न्ही और एनीबडी टॉक्स who are our target patients. Means you expect patients from outside the country to come and get treatment here. Now what I feel is some countries are better equipped, better managed, and they have a free healthcare facility who may not come here. But there are some countries ज्या जाग्यार basic healthcare सुद्धा बरोबर आसना. Forget about advanced. Now for example in the orthopedics I can talk of joints. Now there are some countries joint replacement is available, but the waiting period is 2 years, 3 years. So if you ask me, if you target these countries, but what we must see to it that the cost of the treatment should be compatible with what they spend there in a private setup. Normally they सगळे health, national health किंवा फ्रांसाक बी आसा, they take care of everything. We can get good patients from Europe, where waiting period is quite a lot, and right now there is lot of recession
which is happening
and a lot of upheavals in national health services. This is a golden period. I feel that we should
can increase our foreign exchange.
Foreign exchange things.
Very true. I end on that note. I am म्हटलेले super heroes are with me. I think I can perfectly say, because they are very much interrelated with a lot of disciplines. Ki ekuch doctor is not, there is no Sachin Tendulkar that you can bet and win the match. It takes the entire team. If the team had performed at the final, we would have lifted the World Cup, but we could not. That's a different story. But here we said superheroes, but it's a beautiful sunshine. I would say these are the Avengers of Goan healthcare. I ended on that note. I wish you all the very best for the entire future progression that you have. Thank you very much. It was a pleasure talking to you. Pleasure.
Thank you. Thank you.